Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can set double tap screen to unlock in VIVO. So that's a very simple and quick thing to do. You will need to launch settings, then enter the shortcuts in accessibility, smart motion, auto screen on/off, and turn on the toggle in front of double tap to turn off. And double tap to light as well, or rather actually the toggle that you're looking for is this one, but you can also enable the double tap to turn off option as well. Or, well, that's how you lock it with the double tap. And in order to wake it up or unlock, you can also perform a double tap. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.